Sister is saying he had a greater miracle God has done to him, to her. You want to testify? Today, this morning, I was preparing me to come to the meeting, and I wake up very early in the morning. So me, when I reach at that Gatodo center, I get a call that my son is very sick. The eyes is not seeing. It has already get away. Is a blinded. I have already drink this poison alcohol. He don't understand himself. Even he urine for herself. Even me, I was defeated. What am I going to do? Even I didn't say where I was. And then I tell them what to do. Where they stay, I said, look for a doctor. I call her sister. I tell her sister that your brother is sick. Even eyes has get off. Do what you can do and you take him to the hospital. So we have this hospital near Safari Park, which called Nema or it is for Catholic mission. So my daughter, which called, we are going to call them and say we meet there. When I reach that hospital, let me not go to the church, then I take care of my son. But when I get a call, when I was told, I sit down somewhere and I pray. When I reach in that hospital, so the car didn't put me in the right point, but it passed. Then I asked them, have you reached the hospital? Then they say yes. So I say, wait on me, then I come. When I reach there, then I call his wife and his children. Father, they told me, Mother, we are told we are commanded to go to another higher level hospital. So I call my daughter. I say, now what am I going to do? Either we go to Kenyatta because we cannot get any treatment here. We don't know anybody. Is marked. The eyes don't see. It is only to go anywhere. So then I call Brother Kariuki. Then he told me, I have a problem. My son is sick. Remember him? Then my daughter said, she said, make the decision to go to the hospital. Then I follow you. We go a car and then we even to enter that car, that man, that son, it is a problem. Let us look a rope and we tie him, hand and leg. And then I say no. I say no.
Tampeleka hospitali. Ataingia kwa hii gari bila kufungwa na tupeleke.
He will enter in this car without tie him and take him to the hospital.
Sasa mimi nikamwambia wewe.
Then me I speak. I told him. I told him.
Mimi nikamwambia ingia kwa gari.
I told him enter in the car.
Tuko wapi sasa?
He asked me where.
Sasa mimi nikupeleke mahali nitakupeleka. Ikiwa ni kwako nitalala.
If it is me to take you home or wherever I want to take you.
Lakini mimi nikwambie.
Lakini tell you.
Ukiwa na shida.
If you have the problem.
Mimi nilitoka mahali niliwekwa na gari nikiiba. Nikasema nishike mkono yangu.
So when the car dropped me, I sang a song. Hold my hand.
Mimi ni mjane.
I am on window. And you are my husband. This is people, they can speak all what they want, but it cannot me. I go singing until I reach the hospital. When we reach Thika, he refused to come out of the car. I say, you get out. Even he don't know he is where. I say, you stay there, let me look where I can get the card of treatment where. Then you have already agreed to come out. Then doctor said you just pay and then let him go and then to be checked up about pressure. That another hospital they said the pressure was so high. And the doctor said it is the vicar, they said it's a bit higher but not. So you enter to the doctor. Who is now entering? We try. He said I will not enter. The prayer was over, the eyes was open. When he was in the car, was calling Jehovah his God. That's the one who can hear the and then he said, my eyes is clean. I am seeing it now. He's even in Congress. They are in big hospital. And he I said to him, I have called my pastor and I said to him to pray for you. I was going to the church and I said, my God, even if it is 1 hour, I get out of my house to go to the church. I must go to the church. His sister come together with the husband. And they try him, he said, I'm not sick. So I go back to the doctor, then to ask the doctor, what shall we do? Go and take the askari and you bring him. I can't treat him when he's in the car.
Sasa akasema sitatoka, mimi namwambia si mgonjwa.
He said, I will not get out, I will not sleep.
Na hiyo pombe sitakunywa tena.
And then that as I was defeated, then what shall I do?
Hawezi toka kwa gari.
He can't get out, and he said he's not sick. Then I do what?
Tutafanya.
Sasa to go home.
Akaanza kuambia mahali hapo itarudi, akasema mahali walienda na akakuja.
And then he become himself, and he remember where they drink that meat.
Kwa sababu mimi si mgonjwa, nipeleke kwa nini?
Because now I'm not sick.
Amen. Sasa ukaona daktari mwingine akipita tumesimama.
When we see another doctor passing,
kamwambia sasa daktari tusaidie, tutafanya.
I said to the doctor, you come and help us. What shall we do?
Mgonjwa.
And he asked, where is the patient?
Ndio mgonjwa.
He is here in the car.
Daktari akamuuliza, wewe unaniona hivi?
The doctor asked him, do you see me? He said, yes.
Ninavaa nguo rangi gani?
And then he asked, which color of my clothes? He said, blue.
Na huyu unamjua
He said, and do you know this one? He said, yes. It is my brother-in-law, the husband of his sister.
Amevaa
Which clothes has he wearing?
akona t-shirt na ikona string ya red na
He has already wearing t-shirt, had these two colors.
daktari akaniambia huyu si mgonjwa.
The doctor says,
maji ama maziwa.
you go and give him water or milk.
Sasa mimi nikaenda nikamnunulia maji.
I buy for him water.
Nikampatia maji.
I give him water.
Akatoka kwa gari akaanza kutembea.
My doctor said, you go with him in his home. Then I said, go to do what? And he's not sick. And let me go to the church. I was after this meeting. Yesterday I was so sick when I didn't get out of the house. Thursday I was so sick. I start now stay there. I start listening to the meeting of Brother Kariuki. And then another sister we listen together. Wednesday I didn't sleep because of how I was sick. I say I must go to the church to pray for the meeting. I go and pray and now I don't have any place now. Have a pain. Then I say, you Satan, you don't want me to go to the meeting? Wednesday and Thursday I was sick. Now I am going to the meeting. Now you have brought these matters. I will go to the meeting. Even if I will go only 1 hour. Amen.